Hey everyone, welcome back. You've probably seen those bold ads claiming you can make easy money using a 7-minute phone trick tied to something called the automatic cash machine. It sounds like a dream, but is it real or just another internet hassle? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. The automatic cash machine is marketed as a done for you system that promises passive income in minutes, even for total beginners. The ads are flashy and emotional, filled with phrases like life changing, set and forget, and quit your job fast. But it quickly starts to feel off. Malware Tips warns this might be another recycled affiliate marketing or MLM style funnel system. The promo videos offer zero real product demo or explanation, just hype and lifestyle clips. There's no transparency about who runs it, what it actually does, or how it works. On Reddit and scam alert forums, people are calling it out for being misleading and built around upsells or high commission schemes with little guidance. So for the final verdict, is the automatic cash machine legit? Honestly, it's highly questionable. There's no clear method, no proven results, and too much secrecy. If you're serious about making money online, you're better off skipping this one. Tried this 7-minute phone trick, got results or regret? Share it in the comments. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.